Hey guys, final update. Finally finished cleaning up my Yugoslavian MG53 post-war MG42 copy. Got this one from RytonArms a couple of months ago, and ever since, every now and again, I've been doing some more work to it. Now, my camera is being a bit of a bitch today for focusing, so I apologise for that. I'm going to go over what I've done for it, done on it, should I say. Booster cone and the bipod had a lot of surface rust, so I went over that with some WD-40. Thanks to Josh Boy first for recommending that. It worked quite well. Very well actually. I managed to use some nice grits and careful strokes, I got all that out of there, so that worked out great. This has come out really shiny. All the shiny parts, some of the finish is a little bit worn on the jacket because it's got some marks. It's nice though because it's a battlefield weapon, so it gives it that battlefield look. And cleaned all that up, so that's come out nice. The sights are still really damn stiff, so I don't really open and close them a lot. And fortunately the thingy doesn't unscrew because there's a spot weld there. Stop it from unscrewing. Not a very good spot weld, but you just don't notice it, I suppose. Rear sight, polish that with Autosol. And let's also flip up down as well. It's graduated from 200 to 2000 meters. Barrel doesn't release because it's a new spec. The Bakelite grips on this were a little bit dirty, so I went very carefully through those struts getting all the dirt out, and that's turned out good. Now you're never ever going to get all of the dirt off, so I'm not trying to, but just what's visible. The butt, I haven't done anything to the butt. I'm not going to restain it because this gun's all original, so I'd rather just keep it as it's supposed to be. But I'll show you what I've done internally. Also, if you want to know a lot more about this gun than I'll tell you in this video, then I'll check out my 3-part series of the 42, and I always like to show you the sights, just in case anyone's interested. So there you go. Internally, I've already lifted this up to make life easier. Buffer assembly, that's been polished. I took all the horrible smelly grease off the spring, and this gun was actually, apart from the spring, it was actually dry as a bone when I got it. It was quite hard to cock, so I didn't really muck around with it until I'd lubed it. I used 3-in-1 oil on this, and just make sure you run some oil in the bolt channel inside the gun. Clean any old crap off the bolt itself, and just re-oil any place which has metal on metal contact, and it all comes out nice. Feed paws, they had great spring tension when I got it, still do. Took all this apart and re-lubed it. Moves nice and freely. That I always love the way the 42 works. I mean, I know a lot of MGs are based on this feed paw design, but it just looks poetic. It's just brilliant. Love it. Show you the rounds. This is some in that 792, which finally bothered to fit my starter tab after all this time. There you go. Put it one to the left because the bolt's forward, so nice little feature I found out about this starter tab, which I only noticed about a week ago, was it actually has, now I hope this focuses because it would be really nice if it did focus. I don't really want this to focus. Now, I don't know how well you can see, but should be rubbish lighting in here. There you go. You can see a little RytonArms stamp. So this is a wartime dated starter tab, which I actually kind of noticed because if you look at its condition compared to the rest of it, it looks like it's been used more. The belt seems post-war because I haven't found any stamps of any sort on there. It doesn't have a Yugoslavian armament stamp or Zastava stamps or anything. So anyway, it's a nice little addition. As for the cocking, got that nice and smooth, so I'm happy with that. Can do it when I'm just kneeling up, no problem. Polish the bolt head and all that. The roller's removed on there, which is a bit of a shame. But that all came out nice. Yeah, so I'm really happy. The bolt has quite a few pieces. You can still fully strip it apart from the well, actually you can fully strip it, there's just no rollers in there. So really happy with all the work I've done on this, and that's that really. So thanks for watching, I guess. If you have any questions or anything, please post them in the comments. If you do have one of these yourself, I'd love to see a video response, so feel free to do one of those. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.